Hola a todos, welcome to our quick Spanish lesson. Today, we'll learn about the difference between un and uno in Spanish. Let's get started. First, let's talk about un. Un is used as an article before a masculine noun. It means a or an in English. For example, a book. So you would say un libro. Now, let's talk about uno. Uno is a number and translates to one in English. It's used when you are counting. For example, this means 1, 2, 3. So you would say, Tengo una, dos, tres manzanas. Remember, use un when talking about a noun, like un perro, a dog. Use uno when counting or saying one. For instance, uno, dos, tres perros. Let's practice. Try to complete these sentences. Tengo gato. Da unos minutos. To sum it up, undate before masculine nouns. Uno, one when counting. Thanks for joining this lesson on the difference between un and uno. If you found this helpful, please like and share this video with your fellow Spanish learners. Hasta la próxima. Bye for now.